Good morning, everyone. My name is Alicia, and I'm coming to you from Los Angeles, California. I'll be house sitting this week here, and it was a good week looking back. I, first of all, uploaded my YouTube video last week. Very proud of myself for that. Also, I made a whole $3 through Amazon for an ebook that I wrote earlier this year, and that was the first money I made off that ebook. So it was a change to see money going into my checking account from Amazon versus the other way around. So I hope that continues. I will leave a link for my book. It is about English tutoring on an English platform called Cambly. So if you're interested, I will leave a link down below. So right here, I am writing my habit tracker in my journal, and I just write what things I like to do every day, and then I put an X next to those things if I have accomplished them. So one thing I've been doing every day for the month of July is walk 15,000 steps. And I also like to read at least 30 minutes every day. And I like to read my goal aloud. And my goal right now is to get myself out of debt. I'm I'd say a couple thousand in debt, and I hope to get that paid off very soon. And also I try to be near or in the bed by 9:30, not necessarily asleep by 9:30. It's probably not going to happen, but I at least like to be close to bedtime at 9:30. So then I write the days of the week. Unfortunately, I never leave myself enough space at the top, but that's okay. But I do leave space at the bottom in case I want to add another habit. And then what I do is just simply check off each day as I do each thing. For my to-do list, I normally do a straight to-do list for the whole week, but I was reading a newsletter by Neville Medora, who is a copywriter. He runs Copywriting School. You just saw the newsletter a second ago. So what he mentioned in the newsletter is that you should make your to-do list the night before, and then just be very vigilant not to add anything to your to-do list the day of. So with my general to-do list that I had for the whole week, what would end up happening is that I would have my weekly stuff, but then also there'd be daily things that would come up, and I'd end up writing that separately on a post-it note. So I want to get out of that and just have things that I do every day and just write them the night before, and that way it's like, okay, I feel as though it will help me prioritize a little bit better, and also just, it'll help me accomplish things each day, as opposed to, okay, well, I have this one task and I don't want to do it, so I'll just push it off until Saturday, Sunday, and then it never gets done. So I want to avoid that and just have the task, I either do it that day or I don't. And then, if I need to, hopefully I won't keep pushing it as far as I do throughout the week. So I'm just making little check boxes for each task. I live by check boxes. That will always be a feature that I have for habit tracking and to-do lists and things like that. It is such a satisfying thing to be able to put an X next to something or when it is done. So I will always have that. And I realized that I ran out of space at the bottom, and normally I put a space for the coming week. So I'll put a little space for next week in case there's something that I want to accomplish for the following week, and I won't be able to do it this week, or just don't. There's a reason why I can't do it this week. So I go ahead and leave a space, but I couldn't this time, so that's okay. So now I'm kind of like hesitating and trying to figure out how I want to do the weekends and the following week. So here we go. So yes, I finally decided that I was going to put Saturday and Sunday on the side. So I'm not leaving myself a whole lot of room to write and scribble and make it messy. So hopefully it will stay a little neater this week. I think that's probably what's going to happen. And I like the way this is laid out on the page because I like that it's a little bit cleaner and neater and more calm maybe to look at. So there's that. All right, and we have Sunday. And while I'm doing this, I wonder if you have liked this video and if you have subscribed to my channel yet. I plan to make videos like this every Sunday. So on Sunday, that will be one of my tasks, is to make a YouTube video. Now I'm going back to my habit tracker because I realized that I need to make sure that I'm writing my to-dos in my to-do list every night before I go to bed. There we go. I think this will be a very good way to be a little bit more productive. We'll see. Or not. And now I'm still deciding, like, what do I want to do here? All right. And then I'm leaving a space for the next week. And that's it. That's my page for the week. And then on these following pages, I write my gratitude. I do 4 or 5 gratitude things every day. And then I also do a little journal entry, free writing. I wasn't sure if I'd have enough space. I'm running out of pages in my journal, so I wrote in pencil here, just wrote each day just to make sure I'd have a space for each day. And then on Tuesday, I will definitely order from Amazon another journal. So there goes my money. And then I put a little post-it note to remind myself what I want to do in the next journal. And that is it. That is my week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe. If you don't do it for me, please do it for the dog. Thank you.